Me and my guy are going to the lake. I'm excited. Looks a bit dark out here, doesn't it, Hudson? A little bit. Quite a bumpy little road we got going on here, but we're just crawling our way through. Ooh. We got some puddles to go through up here. I don't know. Go for it? We're gonna. We made it. Go check out the beach. You can go see the water? Yeah? Alright. Hi. Turns out that's a private dock. We gotta drive up 200 yards. Gotta drive up 200 yards, so through some more puddles. We made it through several already. Might as well keep it going. Keep it going. We're almost there. We're almost there. Ah. Here we are up here. Okay. Here we go. Day use only. Alright. Alright. Okay. We'll try this again. There. Woo, it's chilly down here. Look at it down here, Bubba. Look at it down here. Huh? How's it feel? Come this way. Hi. You said nice. Woo. is what a happy puppy looks like. This is what a happy puppy looks like. Oh, oh. Yeah. He freaking loves it, guys. This is what life's about. I love my boy. I love my boy. I love my boy. I love my boy. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come dry off. Come dry off. Yeah. Shake it off, baby. Shake it off. Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Look at that bird. That is a big bird. He's drying himself off, but I got a towel here to try and actually dry him off. He's quite the dirt ball. Come here. Shake off. Shake off. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Goodness gracious, come here, you dirt ball. You are a dirt ball. You're a big old piece of dirt. Shake off. Shake it. No, Hudson, not in there. Come on, get up. Get up. Get up. Get in some actual grass. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're so dirty. Come here. He's so dirty. I think he might need a bath when we get back. You're very dirty. Come here. Yeah, look at you. Stay. You see? Oh, goodness. Goodness, you're dirty. You're dirty. That was the most puddly part. Now that we're through that, we should be pretty good. He smells like a wet dog, but he's happy. He's a happy boy.